Hi everybody, welcome to the shop with Bill the Tractor Man. Today we're going to be talking about the loader quick attach that I built here. I've had quite a few questions about showing how it's done the last few months and how I built it and what I would change. Alright, so here's a view of my skid steer quick attach that I built for my Paulson loader on my Ford 861. Never mind the mess in my shop because it hasn't been being used as a shop. It's been more of a storage lately, unfortunately. Anyway, I bought these plates online. I can put the link in. So it's just this part with the handle, here. The tubes weren't part of it. All this bracket and stuff, a friend of mine and I built for this purpose. I've had to do a few changes, and I want to do a few more changes, and we'll talk about those here in a moment. So also starting off how I built this, I used some 3x3 tubes, top and bottom, or top and bottom. And then a friend of mine helped me make these brackets. And then we found out that first I had these cylinders up here, and then I didn't have enough tilt forward to dump the bucket. So then I had to add these extensions on. And then I kind of realized I'm not a big fan of that system. What I want to do is I want to move these back up here, and then I want to move this pin all the way up here. That would make things simpler and closer to the tractor, which would benefit in a little more stability with the tractor and a little more leverage with the loader and lifting capacity. So the next problem I had comes down to the handles here, and I almost lost a finger because I wasn't being careful and paying attention, but it has to do with the pallet forks. So as you can see with the pallet forks, they have this back rack here, and then it kind of juts out here. Well, these handles, you can see they're bent. I had to bend them. So before, this part used to be straight, and it would come into contact with here. It was very tight, it would touch. So I had to put a bend in it on each of them so that they would be bent back so that they don't contact. And there's enough room now for a guy's fingers. If I were to do it over again, I would probably make different handles altogether, but these are what came with the plates. Okay, so now you can see here, I put everything together. I've got the pallet forks connected on, and they are locked in place. So you'll see the pin just kind of sticking out. Let's see if I can, yeah, the pin just sticking out the bottom there. And you can see how the plates connect in snugly, and they don't wiggle around. And you can see how those bent handles make a difference. So if I pull on it, there's room now to get your fingers through without cutting them off. And you can see here, there's plenty of room to move that tighter, this part here, so that everything would be tighter into the bracket. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. I'd be happy to help you build your set of skid steer quick attach for your loader. This just happens to be a Paulson, and it wasn't too bad to build it for.